Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get an online consultation on Practo. So first, open the Practo website or app and enter your location if requested. Then search for the type of doctor or specialist you need. Then browse the available doctors and review their specialties, ratings, consultation fees, and available times. After that, choose a doctor who offers online consultation and select the available appointment option. Then enter the requested information and complete the booking or payment steps. At the scheduled time, open Practo and follow the instruction to join your online consultation. So that was how to book an online doctor consultation through Practo. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.